Tokyo has plenty of amazing sightseeing spots, attractions and leisure facilities, many of which are enjoyed by the city's foreign residents. And even though this is one of the world's largest urban areas, you don't have to leave Tokyo to find yourself surrounded by nature. It's a Friday, we've finished work a few hours early, so we're going to make the short trip into the mountains around Tokyo to spend the weekend there. One of the great things about living in Tokyo is the public transport. It's so extensive that you can get out into the countryside easily using the trains. You don't always need a car. We've come to a place in the mountains that is popular with foreign residents of Tokyo, Okutama. It takes about 2 hours on the train to get here, but it's still in Tokyo. Living in Tokyo gives you access to many great outdoor spots like this. But of course, Tokyo has so many great areas to explore, from bustling urban centres to areas for family fun, historical neighbourhoods, and those that are on the cutting edge of fashion. So whatever you're into, you can surely find it here in this city. For more information about sightseeing and culture in Tokyo, including listings of facilities and attractions, as well as life in the city in general, pick up a copy of Life in Tokyo, Your Guide.
Life in Tokyo, Your Guide is a booklet listing basic information for those starting a life in Tokyo. You can pick it up from city offices and local international associations, or download it from the Life in Tokyo website.